You've got another gift you're giving, right?
I'm trying to give you a white Christmas.
I thought you were going to say, I'm trying to give you 40 degrees, guys. I'm really trying.
I actually will give you that as well.
Really?
Yeah.
You just have to wait
Feeling
for it.
very
Huh?
generous
You always
this
know how to
week.
deliver this time of year.
I don't know if I can give you freshly falling snow on Christmas Day, but maybe a couple days beforehand, as we've been talking about a couple more storms, which will bring the snow here, mainly for northern Utah. Let's get to your weather forecast right now. We're sharing a photo coming up on our Facebook page. This is Carol Dyer. Looking through Logan Canyon. Now this looks like something out of southern Utah. Not the case. Look at all that snow. Beautiful shot there. We're highlighting all the snow that we got last week. As we move through Logan Canyon, as we go through Cache Valley, we're once again seeing a lot of haze and potentially some patchy fog moving in the overnight hours. Right now in St. George, clear conditions, 44 right now. Winds out of the south at 6 miles per hour. Temperatures on the rise. Looking for the holiday weekend, moving closer towards Christmas, at least in St. George. You're going to be enjoying some 50s of the forecast. Very cold here, though, in Salt Lake City, 24. As we look at the winds out of the west at 6 miles per hour. Temperatures will be kind of where they have been over the past couple of days, well below average because of the inversion that's having its impact here across the Wasatch Front, up through Cache Valley, and especially throughout the Uinta Basin. So haze an issue, poor air quality expected. Midweek storm, though, that will mix out the air. It's going to mainly impact northern Utah. Then another storm for Friday, which will be out of here by Saturday, which means, at least right now, models showing it's going to be a dry holiday weekend, both Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. But leading up to the weekend, we get a little fresh snow here, at least throughout the north. Now, some clouds moving away southeastern Utah. No activity from radar. Actually, high pressure building in. That's only going to make the inversion stronger. Thus, haze increasing here, especially along the Wasatch Front, where temperatures throughout the rest of the state in inversion areas where, well, in areas that you don't have an inversion, we'll see those temperatures back on the rise. Then our next storm hits Wednesday. Let's talk about this storm where it'll bring the snow. Again, really late Tuesday into Wednesday, as you'll see from the models. Again, it's across northern Utah through central Utah. It's a little bit more favorable. Thinking 4 to 8 inches, maybe could squeeze out 5 to 10 inches, so not a bad storm. Now the second storm on Friday, a little weaker. Maybe we'll get out an additional 2 to 4 inches for the mountains. So potentially, at least over the next 7 days, close to a foot of snow for the mountains. And then we get that break here heading into the holiday weekend. But it's going to be a chilly night. Look at temperatures in Vernal. Expected low -10, -8 in Logan. Teens here along the Wasatch Front. Most spots in the single digits and teens as well. Highs tomorrow. About where we're at today. We'll be looking at 20s in Salt Lake City, potentially 30s in Provo, but getting into the 40s through central Utah, mid-40s in St. George. I said 50s back into the forecast for St. George. Quickly we get there Tuesday and Wednesday, seeing some sunshine, keeping it clear. No issues for traveling through southern Utah as we head into Christmas. Looks to be nice. Wasatch Front, hazy conditions, but then that storm clears that out. We'll see temperatures on the rise. There's your 40s for the weekend. You'll get snow at least for Friday, so you're getting it all. Just kind of depend on the timing of it all. We'll be moving that haze away, though, hopefully by the middle of the week.